Hey friends, have you ever generated the perfect character? I mean to say, like the lighting is right and the outfit is fire. The vibe is exactly what you expected or what you wanted. So, but they are stuck steering straight forward. And then you spend the next few hours or a lot of your precious time and you're begging to different tools and like you are saying please just turn their head 90 degrees to the left or right, and it gives you completely totally a different person. So the days of inconsistent characters are officially over, because now the tool that I'm going to explain today, this one, I'm showing you a new AI capability that feels almost like magic, honestly speaking. And it takes a single image, only a single flat 2D image, and and it lets you move a virtual camera around its 3D space. So this is incredible, and let's go. Let's move to my screen. Here you can see like the link I will include in the description of this video. So Qwen-Image-Edit camera angle control. So you want a side profile done. You want an epic, a low angle hero shoot looking up at them. So it's easy. So here you can see we can drop the image here. First of all, for instance, we drop this image. So the input image is this, and here you can see 3D camera controls and slider controls. So we can do it with 3D camera controls. See, once I move the camera movement, so the prompt will be generated automatically. Sometimes it gives you an error, but don't need to worry. Just keep try and it will be done. So for instance, if we move this camera angle from here, so see, this is now rotating, and it is also showing how much degree it will going to rotate the camera. And once you move, so you can see it will generate the prompt, and the prompt will work, and the result will be in front of your eyes. So the generated prompt, you can see amazing. See, now you can see rotate the camera 45 degree, because I used the slide to move it like 45 degree from the right side. And you can see incredibly without changing my face. See, now we can see the camera angle from 45 degree. See, the generated prompt also you can see like rotate the camera 45 degrees to the right. So we can also like download this image, and the image is downloaded, and once we open, so you can see it looks incredible. See, without changing my face, it's same, approximately almost same, honestly speaking. And see, now I have a new image of my existing image, and but the camera has been rotated, from the different angle we have done it. So it's incredibly amazing, honestly speaking now. And you can also move like this one from here, like if you want something from here. So from, see, sometimes it also asks you, because you have your you can upgrade like for more. Now you can see we have view from, because I moved this one on top, and this one now we can see from the camera has been moved to a bird eye view. You can see, first rotate the camera 45 degrees to the right, because I moved this one, the green one. And then this one, pink one, now you can see this one turn the camera to a bird's eye view. So you can see now the bird's eye view. From the bird's eye view, we have also captured our image, and we can see this one also has been done. So incredible, amazing, honestly speaking, this is a very perfect and professional AI tool. And HuggingFace.co is offering this Qwen-Image-Edit camera angle control and you can do a lot of things, rotation, and like bird's eye view. A lot of things I explained to you, and you can do it easily at your home without paying a lot of dollars or some money to someone expert. And this one you can do now by yourself. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and also like subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends so they can also like see this video, they can increase their professional skills, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.